In present-day CNC machines, various metal turning operations, for both the outer diameter and the inner diameter, are performed one after the other, that is, sequentially. As a result, the total machining time becomes the sum of the time taken by all the tools. Watch here. OD facing and turning operations are performed first, followed by the drilling operation. The outer diameter operations take 48 seconds. And the inner diameter drilling takes 44 seconds, adding up to a total machining time of 92 seconds, or 1 minute and 32 seconds. Now, observe how our system changes the game. With our unique overlapped machining cycles, both OD and ID operations can start simultaneously. This reduces the total machining time down to just the duration of the longest single operation. As you can see here, both OD and ID operations are working together, simultaneously. In this case, only 52 seconds, nearly cutting the cycle time in half.